Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree topper bow. So let's get started. For this tree topper, you need two different ribbons, one measuring about 2 feet and the other one measuring about 4 feet. To begin, I'm going to start with a 2-foot ribbon. And I'm going to make 4 loops, keeping the loops even. Hold the center of your ribbon tight. Grab your floral wire and twist it on the middle of your loops. Fluff your bow and set it aside. Grab your longer ribbon and begin to make loops as well. I'm going to make 6 loops. I'm going to add my smaller bow to the top of the bigger bow and twist them together with my floral wire. Then you fluff. Then repeat the entire process, making your second bow. So you can cut your tails diagonally or a V-cut like this. It's time to add the bows to the tree, and I do this using the floral wire. I add one bow on one side at the very top of the tree, and then add the second bow on the other side, making them meet on the edges. Don't forget to fluff and straighten your tails. And that's it. You have a beautiful Christmas tree topper bow. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the bell because it tells you when I have a new video out. Everybody stay safe and stay well. Thank you.